The 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, center console, rear wiper. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.